Hi all. So today in this video we'll be learning about like the second part of string formatting. So let's learn earlier in our previous video of string formatting, we have learned about a string and also dot format, right? So uh, and we have covered some basic things like how we can construct our formatting. I mean, we can do this kind of thing. Let's say we have to pass a variable in this sentence, right? So we use that format and we pass that. So that we have already learned how to make f string and how to make this dot format syntax if required. But here in this video we'll be covering let's say for this take this example first. So here what we are doing, we are just iterating a range means like 1 to 10. The last number is, I mean, the second index is not included. So if it is 11, then we have to count like 1 to 10. If this is 12, then 1 to 11. Okay, so this is a range which will be from 1 to 10. So it will be printing, let's say I'm just printing the number, so it will be printing like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and now what we are doing, we're just making a sentence and we are writing so printing like the value is this. Okay, so you can you can do this in different way. So one of the way is direct dot format, another better way is f string. Okay, we will see both. Say first, let's understand this dot format. And what we are doing, we are understanding, like you might have seen like this kind of syntax colon 04 or colon 02, right? But you're not sure how to use it. So to use it, what does it means? Like this is a kind of, I mean, let's say let me first run it, then we will understand. And let me make first, instead of 4, 1. I will tell you why I'm doing this 1 and 4 or when to do it. So let me run it. Okay, so it is, we need to select different one. uh, it is string format, right? So uh, 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 edit configuration, and we need to seek this one, string format. Click on OK and now run it. So you can see it just printed the value is 1, the value is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like how we expected, right? But you will say like, why we need this one? I can remove this part, right? And I can just uh, give this one. This is also working. But let's say for example you need to print some kind of 0 before 1. So 0 1 0 2 or 0 0 1 0 0 2, like just like index, like. So in that case this thing is useful. So here what you have to do, just if you need to print like 2, I mean a 0, and how many 0, this is the number of 0 you need to print, right? So you are just padding it with 2 zeros before 1, or before the number which you are printing. So here you can see this is actually padded with one single zero, not 2 0, but it becomes 2 digit. Okay, so this 2 means the number of digits should be 2. So like here the number of digit is 10, so it should be 2 at least. Okay, so I mean, I hope you understood. So this number of, this would be 2. I mean, one extra 0 would be there. Now if I make it 3, that means I need to give 2 extra 0 before 1. Let's say I'm increasing it up to 100. Okay, or 101. Okay, so 100 numbers will be printed, right? So you can see it is actually first it is printing like 001 002, and after that it prints 00027, and here it becomes 100, right? I hope you got it. So now if I make it 5 or 6, then you can now understood like what will happen. So it should be like there should be 40 before 1, right? So if I go up, I can see like 0001. So this should be 5 digit total. and here also 100, before 100 also there should be at least 20. Yeah, there is 20 because the total number should be 5, right? Okay, now we can do the same thing using f string as well. So now it's your choice which one you will use. So let me uncomment it, and you can see here the simple thing is like you need to construct this in this way. You have to just give this f, and then here before this colon you need to put the variable name. Okay, that's it. And now if I run it, and if I just comment out commenting it, and now I'm running it, so you can see the same thing is happening here. So up to 10 digit, sorry, up to 10 was 0, from 1 to 10 it is printing, and it is padding with like you can see total 4 digit I want, so this is getting padded with 0 to 0 before 10, and here it should be 3 digit, 3 zeros. Okay, now let's move to some different example, like a decimal point. So let's say you have a number like 3.141592, which is the value of pi, right? So now let me uncomment it. Okay, and let me comment it. So here what is happening, like if I run it, what should happen? So here I'm padding with actually 0.6, so after dot there should be, so let me first run it. So you can see the pi is equal to 3.141593. So which means here you can see after this decimal point there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit is there, right? But what we want up to 6 digit only. So that thing we can do using this syntax. So this is same like this one. So colon 0, and then we are giving dot, and then giving the 6 and a for float, and 6 is for this number of digits which we want after point. Okay, so if I want only 2 digit after dot, then we can give 0.2, so it should be 3.14. Normally we use it, right? 3.14, that's all we know. But if you require like up to 4 or 5, then you can format it in this way. Okay, the next one is good. Another example, it's a different one, so we can use it like 1 MB is equal to, we are just giving like 1000, and this star mean is like to the power. Okay, 1000 to the power 1000 to the power 2. Okay, so this will be calculated and this will be passed here. So we are not giving any, we can, what we can do, we can simply take it, and here we can create a variable name is like number. Okay, and we can give it like this, and we can pass it here as well. That's also possible. And also if it is f string, we can we want to convert it in a string, that also possible. So let me comment out it. So let me run it. So you can see what it is doing. We just want some uh, like comma after this one, and then here. Okay, so to make it like, I mean better, to make it look to look it better and to understand it better, so normally if you require, you can format it like this way, like you can insert some comma here. So what we have to do, like after this colon you have to give this comma, and then after that this is not mandatory. Okay, so if I delete it, so then decimal point will not be there. So this is just this one. So let's see, you have to make it decimal. Then what you can do, and you can remove this f as well here. Okay, uh, so to make it decimal, I mean after this number, if you wanted to give some dot 00, okay, then you can give this dot 2f, or if you want 30 after dot, then you can give 3f. So it should be like 300, so which is not actually correct because you normally need 20 only. Okay, so I'm running it. I hope you got it, how to use this comma in any number while doing this formatting. Okay, and also here like this one is also another example I can give, like 345.7916. okay, this is a number, and you need like up to 5 digit. I mean after dot you need up to 5. I mean after dot there should be 5 numbers, so there is only 4, but how can we have the 5 numbers? Fifth number should be 0. 7 3 dot 345 dot 79160. So to get it you need to use 0 colon dot and then 5a. So dot 5 means after dot there should be 5 numbers. So if I run it now, and if I just comment it, and if I run it, you can see 79160. And let's say you want only 2 digit after this dot, then in that case you need to use dot 2 f, so 345.79, right? And also you can convert it in a f string format as well if you require. So to do that you just need to use this if, and before colon you just have to pass this variable number. Okay, that's it. And then you can give this dot 5f, and let's say you do not want to use this variable, you can directly pass it as well. So like this, and just comment out it, and here if I run it, you can see the same thing is getting printed. I hope you understood it. Let me know if you have any confusion. So thank you for watching.